Hello everyone, my name is Fabiana, I'm from Brazil and I recently ended the annual training course here in FSR. It was a wonderful experience, completely full of new ideas and really brought my mind all over this year. The course met my expectations, but did it more than that. I've chosen this course because of the opportunity to be among other countries and people from other countries and to learn with them, not only about the power sector, but also about gas sector. So it was a wonderful experience to be among all of my colleagues. My plan is to come back to Brazil and to contribute in the Brazilian power sector with all the learnings that I will bring to Brazil with.